Hey Harry, I appreciate the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. Erin at your or in your office is just absolutely wonderful. Um, I went ahead and I did some pretty extensive research on Seattle Rockeries and would love to share with you everything that I found. So, when your future customers are Google searching for your services, so retaining wall in Seattle, for instance, you guys are the number one to pop up in what's called the map pack right here, and that's phenomenal. This is your listing, and it's great. It's got some incredible pictures, it's got an unbelievable amount of wonderful reviews. There's just simply nothing more that could be or needs to be added to this listing. That's just perfect. So not a whole lot to go into with that. Now, what customers are going to see just below what's called the map listing, which is right here, is what's called the organic listings. Now, I went ahead and did take a look, and I did not see Seattle Rockeries on the first couple pages. And so I'll be completely honest with you, I stopped at that point because the fact of the matter is that customers who are searching for your services are not going to go multiple pages back. They're going to go 9 times out of 10 with the very first page and then one of the higher ranking companies. So what I went ahead and did after that was I pulled your number one competitor, who is New Life Rockeries. I have pulled their site and yours so that we can kind of take a little more in-depth look at what's going on here. So here's your site. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys did this yourself or had it professionally done, but it's a really nice site. Now, just a couple things that I immediately notice is this click to call button needs to be up here. So the get a quote would be moved over here, and then that click to call button would be up here. It skews the eye process with it being at not parallel. Okay. Scrolling down, the next most important thing to have is your services. Bam, hit that on the head, right underneath your header. So that's great. The pictures are outstanding. Services right here. This is crucial. Google actually specifically looks for certain criteria when they are ranking sites. So this is really important, and this looks wonderful. Now, in scrolling down to the bottom, testimonials, wonderful, but then it kind of dead ends. Now, the advice that I want to give to you is this. What Google does on a daily basis constantly is crawls the internet. What they're doing is they are looking at every single website all day long. And what they're looking for is 1,500 words of command content. Now, this here is your command content. It's all of the information that's included in your site on the first page, right? What they also want to see embedded within that 1,500 words of command content is your organic keywords trickled throughout. Now, I did run the numbers on your site, and you guys are running at 393 words of command content, so this definitely needs to be brought up quite a bit. That would help your ranking tremendously. You include those keywords like I mentioned, and you'd be sitting in a much different position than you currently are. So now, then I went ahead and I pulled up your competitor's website. Take a look at that. Sorry, that took a second there. Okay, so New Life Rockeries, here's their site. Now, I have a nice look, completely honest. I think the colors are kind of just blah, but you know what, we're running into the same issue with them. Now, they just simply don't have enough command content. I ran the numbers on their site as well, and they've only got 248 words of command content on their homepage. Now, again, same issue with not having enough of the keywords sprinkled throughout. But this is it's a good site. Now, what I did to dig a little deeper was I used my site crawling program to get a detailed look at both your site and theirs, so we have an idea of more in depth of what's going on here, okay? So here is your site, Seattle Rockeries. I want to show you the two most important things of all of this. It's your UR and your DR rating. Now, what your UR rating is your power, okay? And then what your DR is your trust. So now how these two figures come about is they're determined by backlinks. You've got 149 backlinks going to your site. Now, what a backlink is it's a shout out from another site. Another site has a link taking them from their site to yours. And what that does is, number one, gains you exposure. Number two, gains you credibility. Looks like you're running at about 43 organic keywords sprinkled throughout your content. And what this whole entire picture overall is telling us is that organic traffic of 19 folks a month that are coming into your site. All right, so let's take a look at the competitor and see what they got going on. All right, so here's New Life Rockeries. Again, we've got your trust rating, we've got your power rating. Now they have 1,500 backlinks going into their site. That's quite a bit, but that's not something that isn't outbeatable. And I'll explain to you a little bit why. So now, organic keywords, they've got a lot sprinkled throughout all of the pages of their site, right? And so with this whole entire picture, what they're gaining every single month is 6,500 organic traffickers. That is a whole lot of traffic. So overall, my thoughts of this are and just to summarize, now your listing at the beginning that we already talked about, it's absolutely perfect. Nothing needs to happen with this. You're good. Okay. The next part is your site as well. And just to go over the 1,500 words of command content, the organic words sprinkled throughout your entire site is really important. And the little cosmetic things such as the button at the top being realigned and so forth would help tremendously. Then moving on to the deep down data, adding in a lot of backlinks is going to help exponentially. Organic keywords, bringing all of those up per page would help tremendously as well. But this site of theirs, it is not unbeatable. And I can't stress that enough. It's not unbeatable. There are many things that they are not doing correctly that can be happening correctly on your site to then allow Seattle Rockeries to outrank them and essentially knock them out of their spot and put you in position to gain all of this traffic here. So again, I thank you for your time very much. I appreciate you taking a look at this, and I certainly would be grateful and appreciative of feedback.